What is quality? What agreed with you a customer, or what customer pays you. If you agreed with the customer in a high standard, then you will follow that high standard. If you agreed with the customer for low standard, then you will follow the low standard. I will give you example for welder qualification test. At the project of Nachtigal, ATB was agreed with the EDF regarding welder qualification test. They use their ISO 9606 for welder qualification test. There is three standard for welder qualification test. First one is ASME section 9, and second is European standard, that is EN 287, and third one was there ISO 9606. And ATB was agreed with the customer, with the sponsor, with EDF 9606. That was ISO standard, because they agreed in the quality management plan. It should be written in the quality management plan which standard we have to follow for this project, and it should be written in the contract agreement. That agreement was between the EDF and ATB. It should be written in that contract also. And what is benchmark? We will use benchmark in the quality and other PMP area. We will use this thing a lot. What is benchmark? When we compare two standard, internal or external, basically benchmark used to adopt a best practices. We will compare one standard with another standard. That is called benchmarking. And what is standard? ISO standard, EN standard, British standard, and also European standard. That is a standard. What is quality and benchmarking? Standard and regulation. Regulation imposed by a governmental body, and that you should be follow the regulation. You must follow the regulation. If you will not follow the regulation, that body will cancel your project, or that body will ban your product. So you should follow the regulation. And then these all four things you have to follow, and it should be written in the quality management plan. It should be written in the quality management plan. And what is the cost of quality? Internal and external. We should use for conformance and non-conformance. Inside the quality, there is conformance and non-conformance. Money spent to avoid the failure, that is called conformance, and non-conformance, money spent because of failure. Money spent because of failure. Yeah, conformance and non-conformance. Conformance inside the project and non-conformance inside the project and outside the project. Inside the project and outside the project. And there is managed quality. Managed quality, why we use the managed quality? We will check the effectiveness of the process. We are following right procedure or not. And quality control is a correction. Managed quality, also called quality assurance, and that is prevention. Managed quality is prevention. We are preventing the defect. We are producing defect-free product. We are producing and we will get a zero defect. That is called managed quality. And control quality is a correction. We are correcting the defect. This is the huge difference between managed quality and control quality. And you should remember this concept. Maybe you will get one question from this area in PMP exam. What is the difference between managed quality and control quality? Managed quality is a prevention. Understood?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
understood.
Okay. Okay. And control quality is correction.
Correction, yeah.
Correction.
Yeah. And conformers and non-conformers. Non-conformers inside the project. When quality control is catching the defect, that is called inside. And warranty liabilities, that is outside the organization. Is it okay?
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We are spending money for in the quality control or manage quality at the appraisal cost, inspection, testing, documentation. We are spending money to avoid the failure. We are doing non-destructive testing, destructive testing, and for manage quality, we are using one tool, and that is the big tool for manage quality is the audit. Audit used to check the effectiveness of the process. Audit used to check the effectiveness of the process. This is the great tool for the manage quality. Understood?
Please,
Up to now?
please, please, Mr. Fahim,
Yeah.
as a quality management, can we replace it by assurance quality?
No, no. Quality assurance is different and control quality is a different. We
Yeah.
are assuring. It's assure quality is we are avoiding the defect. We are preventing the defect. In assure
Yeah.
manage in PMP we are calling manage quality. There is two names.
Manage quality.
Yeah, there is two names:
Okay.
manage quality and quality assurance.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
in the
yeah.
PMP, so in
Manage
the
quality.
PMP, manage quality is different than assurance quality.
No, no, manage quality and assurance quality is same.
Yeah. Okay, that's why I was thinking.
Yeah. Manage
Manage
quality
quality
and
is the
assurance
same.
quality is the same.
The same. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Yeah. I'm agree. Yeah.
Other name of quality
Quality
assurance is a manage quality. PMP is calling manage quality. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah,
Understood.
in PMP,
Yeah.
we are calling in the project quality assurance.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, but
can
in
I
PMP, that is manage quality.
Okay.
can I
Understood? And great tool
Understood.
of,
Clear.
okay, that's okay. And
Yeah.
big tool for manage quality or quality assurance is the audit. Audit used to check the effectiveness of the process. We are using,
Yes.
we are following the procedure or we are not following the procedure. Now I will explain you the quality tools. We are using different tools and technique in during quality. First one is a audit. I have already explained you. Next is a checklist. Checklist used to check the documents available or not. I will explain you with the whiteboard. Okay.
sir, Bello wants to connect, sir.
Okay, I will admit him. Okay, yeah, I can see him. Okay, just wait.
Okay.
Value is coming. Hi, Value.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good evening. Are you okay?
I'm okay. I apologize for the
That's
delay.
good.
Sorry.
That's good. Okay, let's start with the quality tools.
Yeah.
Value. Yeah, first I will explain the audit. Audit used to check the effectiveness of the process. Are we following the procedure or not? And second is a voting. We use voting a lot in PMP, and there is different types of voting. I will explain you with the whiteboard. Just wait. I will open the whiteboard. There it is. Oh, yeah. Just wait. I am telling you voting. We have a three option. Option A, option B, option C, and 10 people to vote. 10 people to vote. When all 10 people vote on one side, for example, for all 10 people vote on one side, it is called unanimity or unanimous decision. It is called unanimity or unanimous decision when all 10 people vote on one side. And when 10 people vote, 6 people vote on A, 3 people vote on B, and 3 people vote on C. This is called majority. When we will get more than 50% vote on one side, that is called majority.
Majority.
Yeah, that is called majority. Where is the razor? And when 4 people vote on A, 4 people vote on A, problem. Just wait. Yeah, again problem. Then what happened to the problems about transfuse? Yeah. Wait. When 4 people vote on A and 3 people vote on B and 3 people vote on C, this is called majority. We did not get more than 50%, but at least we will get more people on one side. This is called polarity.
Majority.
Polarity. This is called
Polarity.
not majority. This is called Messina polarity. When
Called
we get
what?
more than 50%, that we will call majority.
Okay.
When we will get more people on one side, but we did not get more than 50%, that is called
Okay.
polarity. Okay, Messina?
Polarity. Polarity.
Polarity.
Yeah.
Polarity.
And other voting type is a very interesting. When there is a one boss, and boss will take decision from entire group, and he will poll the vote at one side. All 10 people vote one side, and boss will take a decision from entire group. It is called dictatorship. It is called dictatorship. Okay. These 4 types of voting we are using a lot in PMP. Now understood?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everybody understood?
Majority, polarity, dictatorship, 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Please, the last one is what? The last one is what?
Last one is
Dictatorship.
dictatorship.
Dictatorship. Okay.
Yeah.
Because we will
Autocratic,
not
also called autocratic.
Oh.
Dictatorship or autocratic,
Or
both are same.
autocratic.
Autocratic or dictatorship.
Okay.
Unanimous decision or unanimity first, then majority, polarity, dictatorship or autocratic. Okay.
Okay. Please, the dictatorship is which situation?
When boss will take decision from entire group.
Mm.
That is called dictatorship or autocratic.
Okay.
Okay.
Bypassing the election results.
And then I will explain you a checklist. Checklist used to check all the documents are available or not. For example, at the start of the project, we will check the VT procedure, DPT procedure, or UT procedure, and we will put tick or cross. If VT procedure is available, we will take it. DPT procedure not available, we will put it across. This is checklist. If UT procedure is not available, we will put it cross. This is called checklist. Okay.
Okay.
And other tool is a check sheet. In check sheet, we will check the defect. In check sheet, we will check the defect. For example, after welding, we will do the VT of shop weld 1. And how much defect we will find? Maybe 4 defect in VT. And when we will do PT, in PT we will found the 10 defect, and when value will do the UT, and he rejected the joint, and Mr. Rodrigo angry with the value. Why you rejected my joint? He explained him, because I found so many defects in UT. That's why I have rejected the joint. Check sheet used to count the defect. Okay. Check sheet used to count the defect. Yeah. Check sheet used to count it. Pareto chart. Pareto chart used to end 80-20 rules. One guy in Italy, he checked the land. 80% land owned by a 20% of people. 80% land owned by a 20% of people. And remaining 20% land owned by a 80% of people. That is 80-20 rule. When we will use in a project, what we call 80% of problem because of 80% reason. When we able to remove that 20% reason, 80% defect automatically remove. Okay?
Yeah.
You know 80-20 rule.
It's a Pareto technique.
Yeah, Pareto technique. That is Pareto technique.
Yeah.
That is called Pareto technique. Okay?
Yeah.
And what is vital few? I will give you a very simple example for vital few. In a one family, there is a 10%. In one family, there is 10% and only 2% are earning. That 2% are vital few. That 2% are vital few. Okay?
Vital few. Yes, sir.
No, everybody knows, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pareto chart, and I will explain you another thing. What is scatter diagram? Scatter diagram is showing the relationship between two variables. For example, I will give you example. I will explain you with the graph X and Y. If I will eat more and my weight will increase, then there is positive correlation. And if I will eat more but my weight will decrease, there is negative correlation. And if I eat more, my weight will not increase and also my weight will not decrease. There is no correlation. That is called scatter diagram.
Like scatter diagram.
Okay?
Schedule diagram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, scatter diagram.
Scatter.
Scatter diagram basically showing the correlation. Scatter diagram is showing the relationship between two variables. Okay, Rodrigo?
Okay, scatter diagram.
Yes, scatter diagram. Scatter
Okay.
diagram is showing the relationship between two variables, and scatter diagram is showing the correlation. If I will eat more, then my weight will increase, then there is positive correlation. If I eat more and my weight will decrease, then there is negative correlation. If I eat more, my weight will not increase, even my weight will not decrease. Then there is no correlation. Okay.